Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to learn about introduction to thread synchronization. So let's start. So thread synchronization is a technique used to control the access of multiple threads to shared resource. When multiple threads are trying to access a shared resource like a variable, object, or a file at the same time, it can lead to data inconsistency or unexpected behavior. So, thread synchronization is basically used to control the threads. If we start multiple threads at the same time, then we don't know what will be the output that we will get. Let's take an example. So we have three threads, thread 1, thread 2 and thread 3. So the task of three threads is used to print the table of 5, 10 and 15. If we start the thread, then the output that we will get will be not understand the output. We will not get the actual data in that. So this is the table of 5, this is the table of 10 and this is the table of 15. We will not understand properly, okay, which is the table of 15, 5 or 10. So to avoid this, if we make the function as synchronized, then we will get to know that okay, so this is the table of 5, so this is the table of 10 and this is the table of 15. So we will clearly see in our naked eyes. To avoid such issue, Java provides synchronization which ensures that only one thread can access the critical section at a time. To avoid such issue, the Java has provided synchronization, so through which we can ensure that only one thread can be accessible in our critical situation at a time, okay, and rest of the threads will be in waiting. So after one thread has been completed its task, then other thread complete their task, okay. So it may leads our data consistency and we will not get further any corrupted data as well. Next, why is synchronization needed? So let's say you have a bank account object shared with two threads. Thread A is depositing money and thread B is withdrawing money. If both threads access the account simultaneously without synchronization, the balance could get corrupted due to the race conditions. Suppose A thread's task is to deposit money in the bank and B thread's task is to withdraw the money from the bank. Thread A will deposit 2000 rupees in the bank and thread B wants to withdraw 5000 rupees from the bank. Suppose if you not use synchronization, then the money will be withdrawn. The 5000 rupees will be withdrawn from the bank, but we have only 2000 rupees in the bank. So how we can withdraw 5000 rupees? So this way we will get a corrupted data, okay. So after using a synchronization, so thread B wants to withdraw 5000 rupees, then the thread will send a message that in your account only 2000 rupees is there, you are not able to withdraw 5000 rupees. So that's why we need the synchronization, okay. So note, thread synchronization is used to control the threads. Suppose there are multiple threads, thread synchronization is used to control the threads. If we use synchronization, then we will not get any corrupted data. So if we not use the synchronization, then we will get some corrupted data and invalid data as well, as we have seen in our example. So this is the short introduction related to the thread synchronization. So thank you for watching this video.